On April 14, 2024, a guy by the name of Matt was driving when he noticed a cop car behind him. He wasn't thinking much of it at first, but as the cop keeps following, and at a close distance, he becomes confused. A few miles down the road, the cop turns their lights on, and the reason for the stop was nothing Matt or anyone else could have imagined.
This is so weird.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Officer DeRusso, Moon Township Police. Just to let you know, you're being audio and video recorded. Sure. The reason why I pulled you off is the license plate cover that you have on your plate covers Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay.
And that's technically illegal in the state.
Okay.
So, if you just have your license, registration, and insurance,
Sure.
It's just going to be a warning. I'm just letting you know. So, 608
Should be good.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, I apologize for that. I kind of just threw it on there. It was part of the plastic cover thing, but I can take that off.
Right, you can find another one.
Okay.
But anything that covers the license plate is illegal in the state.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you those back.
So,
but you just can't. Some of them will just go around Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be right back
All
with
right,
you.
appreciate it. He's cool. Hey, what's up, man? Can I call you back?
Sure.
Guess what? I just got pulled over in the Kia for my plate cover.
Oh,
What the? Dude, it's.
Call back.
Alright, I will.
Bye.
Bye.
Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
Here's your license.
Alright.
It's just a warning.
Okay.
It really says no action required, but just be advised.
Yeah, I'll take it off as soon as I get home.
Okay, no worries. It's just a warning, like I said. So,
Alright, appreciate it.
Have a good
Yep,
day.
have a good one.
Did you get a ticket?
Nah, just a warning. She was cool.
Oh, that's nice.
She was behind me, and I'm like, watch. I thought it was because maybe my plate was crooked or whatever. I'm like, what the in the Kia? Embarrassing. You get pulled over in a Kia.
Brought to you by Kia. Kia. Too bad it's a Kia.